my name is Alexia and I'm from England.
I'm Nandita. I'm from Auckland, New Zealand, but born in Fiji.
I'm Aaron Pittman. I'm from Somerset in England.
Hi, I'm Teresa. I'm from Taiwan.
What do you think? How Polish language sounds for you?
It's not sexy. No.
So how
Like
would you
some-
describe it?
Like Italian is sexy.
To be honest, it sounded a bit like Spanish to me. I don't know why.
It sounds like you're trying to rap in Russian.
I think it sounds Russian,
Okay.
but not as like emphasized. Like it's sort of like a quiet Russian.
Like French is like bonjour, je m'appelle, like it's soft and like it has sensual, but I don't know. Polish is like it, or it's similar to English. It's
It sounds really pretty, as in sounding wise, but I have no idea what you said, and it was very fast.
I think with Polish is more you curl your tongue quite a bit with the way you talk. So some of the words can be really hard to pronounce.
It's to me, or even Russian can be sexy, but Polish is. It's not. Maybe the way you speak, it's not harsh. It's not like really harsh.
It's almost unpronounceable.
Oh my gosh.
Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w Trzcinie.
Yeah, no, I can't even remember that. So there's no way.
It sounds like lots of D's and B's and dobra, like
Bardzo ciężko pracujemy.
they're very level.
It's
How does
definitely
it
like
sound?
it's definitely like a quiet Russian.
Yeah, it's softer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not as like mean and in your face sort of thing.
You don't have a lot of like vowel consonants that goes up and down, like you know with certain languages you have like how you say something and then that would like explain to you what you're meaning.
Yes.
It doesn't actually sound like that. It sounds like one tone. It doesn't go
Yes.
up and down, and it's really fast.
Dzisiaj jest piękna pogoda.
Just nie piękna pogoda.
W Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w Trzcinie.
That's a tongue twister. I'm not even gonna try.
We're
No.
done. Repeat it.
No.
That again?
Przygotowała.
I can't go further than
Studiowałam 5 lat.
Studiowałam 5 lat.
Jestem farmaceutą
Farmaceutą
w Nowej Zelandii.
Nowej Zelandii.
Jestem farmaceutą.
Jestem farmaceutą.
Farmaceutą, oh my gosh, even I
Farmaceutą.
sound bad. Oh, that was good. Farmaceutą w Nowej Zelandii.
W Nowej Zelandii.
Perfect.
Okay.
This is it is quite difficult. So it will be
W
Szczebrzeszynie
Szczebrzeszynie
chrząszcz
chrząszcz
brzmi
brzmi.
w Trzcinie.
What?
W Trzcinie.
W Trzcinie.
You're not making me say bad words, are you?
No, I'm not lying. Cześć. Cześć. Dzisiaj będziemy... nie wiem co... Beautiful, you're very good.
No, I'm not. Stop lying.
It looks horrible. Look at all this.
No, it's good luck. Fiji.
Fiji. Okay.
Yeah, Fiji was good. Perfect.
Where do you think I'm from?
I know where you're from. Just tell them that. Nandita.
Is that cake?
Cake is ciasto.
See, I knew I would know cake.
Her name was Barbara.
Barbara. Said this nice word in the morning.
I don't know. I don't know.
Experience, expression, expired.
Perception.
Perception, yes.